na-eme nke ọma ebunye ya enu si ya jide nke o ji na-aga n'iru biko ka anyị gbakọ kịta wee kene n'Eze-Ana Eze-Ana ego adị Eze-Ana ugochitubelu nwoke ọma na oraifite ego adị ọdịnala bụ eziokwu ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ ịma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa ụmụ Igbo chigharịa kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkuzi Eze-Ana ugochitubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru Eze-Ana ugochitubelu onye ọma na-eje eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru Eze-Ana ugochitubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru Eze-Ana ugochitubelu onye ọma na-eje eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru Eze-Ana ga-adị ugochitubelu ga-adị ugochitubelu tempụlụ ọ ya adị maka na eziokwu anwa chacha ndị ụka erighị anyị front and back ndị oche eli anyị front and back faji asị kala aka ghọrị ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke fe ka mma bulu Baịbụl bịa akwụkwọ akụkọ wepekwa chọọchị fa okwu n'ụka bịakwa.
Good morning, viewers all over the world. My names are Ogbuefi, Eze-Ana, ugochitubelu na oraifite. For those of you that are seeing me today for the first time, abụ m onye isi nchụaja ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi consultation, deep consultation, and other spiritual work. Na-arụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission. Bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me an ọdịnala evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa, n'oge awa nke eziokwu, today's topic is what you should do after consulting Afa. What you should do after consulting Afa. But before we proceed, important announcement. Don't forget that our monthly ritual is still ongoing. We are about to conclude the month of August. You can still join the one of September. People are booking for September rituals already. Ihe abụọ aja mbuli elu, aja mpuchi ihe. Sacrifice for upliftment, breakthrough, and liberation. We have lots of testimonies, but as you all know, we don't share testimonies on social media or in Ezeoku TV. You know why? It's not necessary, not why we are here. But I can tell you, we started this group rituals almost 3 years now. By November, it will be exactly 3 years we started it. We have lots of testimonies. There is power in group rituals. So, if you are interested in joining our monthly rituals, what we need for you is one, you make token donation to the account number. Then forward your 3 prayer requests. We place it in the altar. Now, go for the throughout the month. Like last day of this month, we go to the river to offer sacrifices on behalf of all. Then we proceed back to the temple. We offer sacrifices to entities of powers in the temple. Yes, we offer sacrifice to entities of powers in the temple. Now, that is what you must know. Yes, that is what you must know. At the end of the day, we offer sacrifices. Esi go na aja dị etu a onye ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ elu. Yes. So ike dị na aja a na-achụ n'igwe maka na igwe bụ ike. Igwe bụ ike. So pay attention to monthly rituals. Very important. Ebuligo ndị mmadụ elu maka aja. Ebuligo ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ elu gbasara aja a na-achụ n'igwe. So ọnya bụ ihe kwesịrị ịma. I can tell you na aja a na-achụ n'igwe atọgbu ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ. Mana ya anaghị show you on social media. You know why? It's not necessary, not why we are here, but I can tell you the care in aja. You can join us anywhere you are, all over the globe. Today, I have gone to the temple to speak, pray, make declaration upon the lives of those that join us. Now, so if you are interested in joining us or you have any question in today's lecture, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837 672. I repeat 0805 7837 672. Then, or 0813 8243 871. As you are joining us all over the globe, anywhere you are getting us from, if you are seeing us from Eze-Ana TV, tell people about our administration. If you are seeing us from social media platforms, share it so that other people will hear it from the horse's mouth. Again, if you are seeing me via television channel, via Global TV, Amazon, etc., outside Africa, chat me on WhatsApp. I would want to know where you are getting us from. If you are getting us via television. Now, let's dive into today's lecture proper. Like I said before, today's topic is what you should do after consulting Alpha. Now, I have told you times without number what Alpha is all about. And I have told you there are so many ways to consult Alpha and many types of Alpha. And I have already told you before now what is your Alpha is all about. The Alpha is the message you receive from the medium. Ability to know what the future holds for you. To know your stand, your status in the spiritual realm. Alpha can also reveal your past earth life, your experiences, your present earth life, and your future. However, remember that with future, if you can remedy the future, your future can erase your bad record, and your future can determine better future. Your present, the life you live this present can erase the bad record. Then your present earth life, the way you live it, can predict how your future will look like. Because if you walk, you eat. On your law, so, and I have told you before now that we have methods of Alpha, all kinds of Alpha, and all the systems are perfect. Any system that will be able to tell you what future holds for you and what is passing now is Alpha. Alpha can come as a prophetic. Yes. And when you keep battling Alpha without aging anything over. The spirit communicates to people in various forms. Yes. And every system or method of Alpha is very important. There is a reason why that particular method existed, and there is a reason why that particular method is the best. There is the prophetic in the sense that the person that is giving the message is receiving it intuitively. The person is receiving the message via voice. Like I told you before, we have clairvoyance and clairvoyance. And then and then some people, if they want to receive message, by the time they hatch more, calm a little bit, maybe close their eyes, or maybe put themselves in the quiet moment, they will see the vision. They just show them like television. Why some people they hear their own by their voice? Why some people intuitively they feel it, they receive the message. And once they are given that message is for the person. Some can even call them. It's gift. For come. Yes. It's the ability to consult the medium. So I'm got so many ways. And the government be good, there. And what or anyone, there's no one that is superior than the other. Because everyone has reason that particular method existed. We have the one we call palmistry. Ability to read these lines here. Exactly. I remember when I was in India, they use palmistry more often. Because what is here is already shown what you will be in life. However, even if there is a written here that is negative, by the way you live your present earth life, you can upturn it. You can cancel it. Now, so whether what is written here will come to pass depends on you, how you live your present. Because the present controls the future. Even if they said you through the way we talk it in Africa, that you will be great, that does not mean that will happen if you do not work hard and make it to happen. Are you following? So what I'm saying is that you have to work hard to make sure that prophetic words, those are moments when you work it out. Yes, because no food for a lesson. So if you have gone for Alpha, they told you that you'll be great in Homa de Rosa. That doesn't mean that you fold your hands and be waiting for that Ihoma to fall. No. Who does that? So what you have to do is to work it out. However, I can teach you some simple rituals you can do to connect yourself with those goodies of life that is already on their roots towards their direction. Simple thing. If it's what you were told is something that is good, and I have told you, Alpha can be through your dreams. It can be through message for somebody. Are you following? So anywhere, any method, you got the message. If it's something positive, go and look for Ojugo. Yes. Ojugo. Otia. Whether I'm over there, no. Otia. Obagodi say no problem. Can see over. So he get me. He were Oja Ichi and Anyang. Remember, Anyang is an altar. It's a bigger altar. Let me use it this way. It's a bigger altar. So anywhere you are, connect you to face the east. The Kanyang Sirika. Oh, Yabatan ordinary. If you go to every Bibia, you will okay. You were out there. You were ruled all there. They got full Anyang in temple. I will here. Can you have Anyang in some of those things, okay, but I never did before. But see the flag. Here is a flag. I know because I know what the more important is the energizer. So at the all world temples, it's facing the east. Oh, you can one idea. You face the east. Like this place of worship of Chukwu guys or Eze-Ana temple now. The altar will face the east. So here na Chukwu east where born kids are there. Everyone can bring them. All spirituality are one, and we all worship in different dimensions. So first is Poko Chigi, Poko Moli Legan Hasso, Poko Ajana Benag, Poko ya entities of us. Say call them. Tell them that you call your name in full. That's your native name. It's Maragina. Call it. Tell them that we are here today to celebrate them, to praise them, to be Alpha, to we have Chukwu kept me here and Dangerous cage would be the Chukwu mothers. After that, tell them that this your mother knows already. I go say again. Money go queer, more case because he received two messages that you are here today with Ojugo, special color. That those special things they reserve for you. That they are praying. Please George Naka, you came with color. What are you with? Meaning the water if you bring color, you bring good thing. That they are coming to give the good thing. So that good thing they have for you should come to manifestation. After that, you not just close to your mouth, say what you want. After that, take this color to any 3 or 4 junction and drop it. It will better still. If you have like 200 or 500 naira, use where as a had whatever. So they hit that you want. Take it also to that junction. As he had. Because somebody will give that money. It will strike joy in the person. It will help you to make that good thing that is on your part to come to manifestation. That is simple as you can do. Now, if that message you got is -1, what you will do is this. What you will do is this. Boom. That negative message is in well. Go and look for Oji again. Then chọọ akwa ọkụkọ Igbo. Ma ọ bụ uri ka ọ bụ na ịnwetawo. Then were ọjị anwa kpọkọ ụmụ mmụọ sị ha ọ bụrụ na ị nwetara akwa were eze ha iwe. Ife esipịa isi. Ịkpọ afọ gasị ụmụ mmụọ abụ na mmụọ na-ewere iwe n'iji akwa ọkụkọ Igbo wee na-asị doo iwe ọbụla iwere ha ihe ha na-ewere gị n'iji akwa wee na-asị ka iwe haziri na akwa iji n'ọkwa ihe aja. Iwere anyị ka mechaa ya were ụba anyị si were tichasị ahụ tụọ ebe ọbụla nwa ụzọ ọbụla tiwe anya bụ aja sara aja. Then chọzie ure ma ọ bụrụ na were ure pụgasị ahụ. Go very easily 4 times anti-clockwise. See how that ure we are using it to take away whatever negative vibration that need enyeghị ihe dị ndụ ka i were ihe dị ndụ gbara onwe were chasịa ahụ gị tụpịa ebere onwe gị. So do these simple rituals. It will help you to remove some minor vibrations towards your direction. However, if what Alpha told you, Alpha is just like a torchlight to torchlight where your problem is coming from. Alpha is like consulting a lab. Alpha is just simple spiritual lab to tell you where your problem is coming from and for you to know what to do. So Alpha is very important. In fact, there is a time you will grow spiritually. Your forces will have a Alpha. A novice, we always consult Alpha, but there will be a time you grow to a spiritual height. You will notice that you don't need Alpha constantly. Even your note, your spiritual forces will always tell you, yes, this is time for this. There will sometimes I will be in the temple. More when they came there. Sim Eze-Ana. That's more well here to actual money to it. I don't think say we can't do it. So by the time you grow spiritually, your forces will always tell you what and what to do at every given time. You don't need every time consulting Alpha, every time you are consulting Alpha. It means that you have not grown to a level. If you go to a level, you will know that every month, if you can afford it, a maximum 2 every 2 months, that will feed the Yachi. Once you begin to do these things, the Yachi knows fully well that every month you come and take care of what is needful and do the needful. They will always bring those things you need so that you will continuously doing it. So, but in a way that you don't have money, But if you have money, please do what Alpha asks you to do. Onye kwụ ụgwọ ji nwere onwe. Yes. Some of the work you do is one of time. There's only few of them that you can be repeating from time to time, as case may be. So, but Ugiji, very important. And ensure that you are not accumulating more debts. Because we pay up our debts by reversing the wrong deeds, reversing what we did wrongly, by doing saraka, by showing mercy to people we are better off. By so doing, we are paying up our karma because we offended in many ways by not doing what is expected of us. It's imperfection. So by doing all those rituals, minor rituals and sarakas, we are using it to pay up some debts, if you don't know. So as long as you are living in the land of living, you continuously doing offering sacrifices, directly or indirectly, in order to pay up your debts. By so doing, you'll be growing, you're making more friends. By way you are offering those sacrifices, you are aligning yourself with other spiritual forces. And by so doing, you'll be greater. You'll be greater in life. So what I'm telling you is that after consulting Alpha, if you have money to be doing them, you can even be doing them bit by bit. It shows you more that you have accepted. Example, if you are owing lots of people, and those people are very mad at you, maybe it's in your market, and you call all of them, tell them that look, you are not denying the fact that they are still owing them, but they should give you more time to pay up this debt. That you have so much plans how you can pay up these debts, and for the immediate time that you will pay, starting from the oldest person, as in the first person you owe. After that, you pay the second person, just like that, accordingly. Believe in me, if they see that you have paid the first person, others will keep calm, knowing fully well that you are paying, you have already started paying. That is a matter of time, you pay all of them. And they will be calm. But when they will agitate more, it's when you are not even making an effort. They did not see a meaningful effort you are making in order to pay. So the same thing with Umumu. Once Umumu notice that what can do na hasusa ti onye wa say because not cheap ụzọ. Na because ni kweta ko ya arụ ọrụ mana ije ego. Ka ibido ụzọ sisi dị goro cheap. Kwanda agwụ ha nwee ndị yes. Na ọ dọrọ kwara ụlọ ọdọ. Ebe eziokwu ha ga-aga. Mana ihe na-enwe mmụọ ewu ewu na-egbazi gbaa nkịtị n'ime eme. Yetago never ahụ n'ime eme. That is the issue. So, but if you can accept them to do it and they see you doing it, fine. Then one knock already. Go on here if you cannot do any of them. Feel sober. Always feel during your meditation that you are so sorry about your inability to do the needful. However, promise them that one thing turns around, that you are going to do it. Convince them, promise them, and you must be seen as somebody that whenever you promise, you do it. So, continuously doing spiritual exercise. I keep saying it. Spirituality is one. Igbo spirituality is not different from other spirituality all over the world. But once Igbo spirituality, by you doing spiritual exercises, it will help you to activate that inner you, because that inner you is what carries the vibrations. But if you are just nonchalant attitude that people ask you to do this and they are just to fulfill all righteousness, let me just do it. You are not spiritualizing what you are and the action you are taking. You need to spiritualize whatever action you are taking, so that you will be able to benefit from the spiritual benefit. So my message today is spiritualize everything you're doing. Even if you don't have money to do some of those alpha, then what of the charitable works? Yes, maybe you have misled a lot of people by where you live your life, by your lifestyle, by word of mouth. Can't you turn a new leaf? Begin to be a role model to correct all that negative impression you created in the past that helps in bringing the negativity towards your direction. Now you turn a new leaf. If you're a type that normally live careless life, you begin today to live a new leaf. You have already caused what is called paradigm shift. You are no longer standing where you stood before. By so doing, if the negative vibration returns, you will no longer be found in the same position because you have changed. The same thing is what is happening in the spiritual realm. Change inwardly. Those imperfection, those negative lifestyle you are living in the past that is bringing negativity around you, stop them. Because those negative lifestyle contributed to what is happening to you right now and why Omomo is very angry with you. All that kind of what chigaria. Repent and turn back. You must show sorry. That you are sorry for all the negative lifestyle you lived in the past. And promise them that you have come back to your roots. Coming back to your root is just not when you hate to lose. Coming back to your root will come with positive lifestyle, changed lifestyle, or by dropping negative lifestyle. Today, you should be a role model. By being that role model, you attract positive vibration and positive longing and wishes. Gradually, you will be untying all these negative vibrations. It doesn't make any sense. You have someone say, while you remain in iniquity. Higher. Yeah, they see living in iniquity, see doing all those negative things. You find out that after even finishing your vibration is still low. If anybody casts any spell to you towards your direction, it will catch you. Because whatever you are offering, even what you are offering your chi, you should spiritualize it. Turn a new leaf. That is what Alpha means. I can tell you. Now, even if your problem is as a result of not doing the right thing that attracted this negative vibration towards your direction. If you start living positive lifestyle, those negative vibration that always found in your alpha will disappear because you have turned a new leaf. So let me stop here. If you have questions into this lecture or need to talk about our family deep consultation, chat me on WhatsApp. Or you have any question to this lecture, chat me. My WhatsApp number remains 0805 7837 672. I repeat 0805 7837 672. See you tomorrow. No go. I'll go one case. I won't know where we're going to which I know you promise. Upon the lives of the first of the temple, children of the temple, and our friends all over the world. Yes, I declare positivity upon your lives. And don't forget, if you're a child of the temple, don't forget that September 14th is the day, a special day for children of the temple, and the day for Ogbuefi and Eze-Ana. I love you all. Let me see.